Hey there, so here's EdFed app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and use the Touch ID or Face ID to install. So this is South Florida Educational Federal Credit Union. It's only 45 megabyte size. So yeah, if you're just using your mobile phones, it's just easier to manage all your accounts just from this app. Make your life easier with this app. Manage your accounts, view your check images, view your transaction history, schedule new bill payments, deposit checks from anywhere, locate new resource charge free ATMs. And there you have it. So that's how it works. So stay up to date with your balances, securely access your finances, manage your accounts, pay bills, mobile banking, view your accounts details and transactions, all of that. So just tap open. And then you just need to log in with your details. So yeah, that's the idea. That's how it works.